The skills of becoming a good gamer are like the skills of becoming a good lifer. You just have to keep doing it again and again, and hope that you succeed. I have always there have been days, not now recently, but when I used to earlier play. If you're playing a solo game, I've locked myself for like 48 hours or 2 days and tried to just cross one level of a Leisure Suit Larry game, or one of these solo play games, storyboards. I think the game 100% because it is on that kind of platform. It's on telephones, and I'm sure you can play it on the iPad, and it's more net related. So yes, but for a movie, I don't think so. It makes difference to a business really. It's nice for information. It's nice to get an instant feedback. But as far as India is concerned specifically, I don't think the social media's reach is as much as we would like it to be. But in the coming years, as social media and otherwise also just the net, the web being able to be accessed all around the country. We really would like to sit down and just, how do you say, personally, just hold hands and feel happy कि हमने film बनाई. Personally, बेटा, media के सामने नहीं, personally. Okay. But just do it and just, be happy, smile with each other.
I'll add to that. Shahrukh will sit down and discuss. He can do, wear a very rowdy bunch, we'll celebrate his birthday.
जन्मदिन पे दोस्त आएंगे, मिल लेंगे उनसे, और
इस टाइम पूरी हैप्पी न्यू ईयर की टीम भी आएगी, सो इट विल
नहीं, वो
बी
ऐसा नहीं है कि पिछले सालों में घर पे नहीं आया जन्मदिन पे, ये सब आए हैं.
लोग भी दोस्ती हैं फराज,
मतलब
हैप्पी न्यू ईयर की
नहीं,
टीम
बाकी की टीम भी होती है. तुम लोग ने पूरी पिक्चर बनाई है
और नहीं तो क्या,
बाकी की भी टीम होती है.
बट I'd like to say is कि मौका नहीं मिला. मेरी तबीयत खराब हो गई, फिर हम जब फिल्म रिलीज हुई तो सब एक दो लोग दिवाली के लिए घर चले गए.
आई थिंक वी वर सो tired that everyone just went home and slept.
Deepika's not in town. So क्या है कि हम सोच रहे हैं वो एक दिन मिले. More than celebration or making it a thing कि पिक्चर इतनी चल गई है. I'll be very honest. I really believed and I think all of us believed कि हमने जो मेहनत की है उसमें कुछ अच्छाई है, और वो अच्छाई अब आ रही है सामने कि लोगों को अच्छी लग रही है. That's the main thing.
मेरे लिए तो ट्रिपल सेलिब्रेशन हुआ ना. First is Aishwarya's birthday, second is his, and then we'll celebrate Happy New Year. So I have 3 celebrations. The opening day was historic. We have had a record-breaking weekend. It's music to any actor's ears. We've all worked very hard, and I'm sure every actor on this stage will agree that the first credit has to go to these 2 people over here, because without them this film would not have been possible.
Most certainly in terms of a game which can be downloaded through the net, I think it's going to make a huge effect. I mean, I think that's the biggest marketing for us right now for the game.
I fully agree with Nasir. I think विवान का रोल बहुत अच्छा था. उसको इतनी बड़े not in terms of stardom but इतने मंझे हुए actors के साथ equal footage मिली. I would say we all looked after him very well. इतनी बेहतरीन डायरेक्टर के साथ काम करने मिला विवान को. और विवान ने मुझे ये भी कहा कि 3 दिन से बहुत लोगों के फ़ोन आ रहे हैं उससे. तो मैंने बोला किस किस के आ रहे हैं, तो उन्होंने बोला पता नहीं, मैं फ़ोन ऑफ करके सो रहा हूँ. तो किसके आ रहे हैं फ़ोन तुझे?
Yeah, tell us now who all called you and said what.
He doesn't know. He put the phone off and he's sleeping.
सारे phones आ रहे हैं. It's really overwhelming. The love and response that we have got over the last couple of days is really overwhelming. It feels like a dream.
It is a dream because he's sleeping the whole day.
I think what makes me happiest right now is the fact that even though I'm unwell and not getting too many reactions, but I call friends and family, and people are sending messages that we've really enjoyed the film, and I am used to getting messages on release of film. This one has been perhaps the most positive. I think सिल्वर जुबली के दिन तो ख़त्म हो गए अब, क्योंकि अभी फिल्म की लॉन्जिविटी जो है वो इतनी नहीं रहती, क्योंकि कितने कुछ 5-6 हज़ार थिएटर में रिलीज़ हुई है फिल्म. तो तकरीबन ऐसी रिलीज़ है ऐसे प्लेटफॉर्म्स के ऊपर कि हर तक पहुंच जाती है पहले हफ्ते 2 हफ्ते के अंदर. बट मुझे फिर भी ऐसा लगता है क्योंकि फिल्म फैमिलीज़ के लिए है. आज के दिन से सारी फैमिलीज़ जो हैं वीकेंड को नहीं आती क्योंकि बहुत हड़बड़ी और दौड़ भाग लगी रहती. दूसरी बात ये कि छुट्टियां हैं बच्चों की, दिवाली की कई सिटीज़ के अंदर, स्टेट्स के अंदर, So I think that all will make people like to come and see the film. You know, you think of things that can happen to you when you make a film. One of them is that it can go radically wrong. One of them is that it can go unbelievably right. I think, mashallah, ये incredibly right हो गई है.
For more news and gossip, don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Helpline.